2024 BMW X5M Review. Introduction. BMW offers a wide range of SUVs in North America, and these models make up the majority of the German luxury sport brand's US sales. This trend started almost 25 years ago when the automaker introduced its first SUV, the 2000 X5. Since then, BMW has continued adding features and significant performance upgrades, including the introduction of the powerful X5M in 2010. Now BMW's best-selling model, the X5 gets a major refresh for the 2024 model year, led by the top-level BMW X5M competition. The fourth-generation BMW X5 came to market in 2020. For the 2024 model year, this sports activity vehicle, as BMW calls it, receives several updates. Highlights of the 2024 model year refresh include a restyled front design that features stylish LED headlights that flank an updated grille and fascia. BMW says the larger air intakes on the X5M improve engine cooling and give the SUV a wide, more aggressive stance. The most noticeable change inside is the addition of a high-resolution curved display that dominates the cabin and provides a high-tech vibe. A new mild hybrid V8 engine powers the X5M, and it features BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive (AWD) system, improving performance and efficiency. BMW offers the 2024 X5 in 4 trim levels, including the X540i, X5 xDrive 50e plug-in hybrid, X5 M60i, and the high-performance X5M competition. Prices range from around $65,000 for the rear-wheel drive, RWD, X540i to about $125,000 for the top-level X5M competition. What owners say about the BMW X5? The BMW X5 competes in the upper midsize premium SUV market segment. According to data collected from verified new vehicle buyers for the J.D. Power 2023 Automotive Performance, Execution, and Layout Appeal study, 68% of new BMW X5 buyers are male, versus 65% for the segment, and the median age of a new X5 buyer is 55 years, versus 58. As part of the appeal study, owners rated the X5 in 10 primary categories. Listed below in descending order, you'll find their preferences, from their most favorite thing about the vehicle to their least favorite. Driving feel. Powertrain. Exterior styling. Feeling of safety. Interior design. Driving comfort. Setting up and starting. Getting in and out. Infotainment. Fuel economy. In the 2023 appeal study, the X5 ranks 5th out of 13 upper midsize premium SUV models. What our independent expert says about the BMW X5M. In the sections that follow, our independent expert analyzes a 2024 BMW X5M competition equipped with the following options. Urban Green Special Paint. Terramar Brown Full Leather. M Compound Brakes with Black Calipers. Bowers and Wilkins Sound System. M Driver's Package. The test vehicle's price was $141,445, including the $995 destination charge. The 2024 BMW X5M competition is, first and foremost, one of the best performing SUVs on the market. However, being a high-performance vehicle does not mean it doesn't deliver a premium experience. Indeed, there are high-quality materials throughout the X5M's cabin, including soft merino leather, which is the best BMW offers. My test vehicle also featured polished carbon fiber prominently displayed on the dashboard and center console. One of the most significant updates to the interior of the 2024 X5M is the new curved display screen mounted on the dashboard. Incorporating both the 12.3-inch driver display and 14.9-inch infotainment display under a single glass pane, the curved display gives the X5's cabin a clean, high-tech vibe. Adding to this look is the M-specific light bar integrated into the dashboard in front of the passenger. The X5 offers a good amount of storage in the cabin, with available space at the front of the center console and a good-sized bin under the center armrest. While the cup holders are small, BMW makes up for this with door pockets capable of handling large water bottles. There's also a wireless phone charger ahead of the cup holders and multiple USB ports. The X5M competition I drove featured M multifunctional seats trimmed in soft merino leather with a two-tone style with an illuminated X5M integrated into the headrest. Firm bolstering supports shoulders, sides, and thighs so front seat passengers stay put during enthusiastic driving. Front seats have multiple power adjustments and feature heating, ventilation, and massaging functions. At first, the seats felt stiff and tight, but after several hours behind the wheel, I found them comfortable with excellent support. Passengers in the back seat will find plenty of space with good legroom and headroom. Seats get the same two-tone style as up front, and the outboard seats are heated. As is typical for a vehicle of this size, the middle seat has less legroom, and the seat bottom is rather stiff, making this position less than ideal. The X5 has a good amount of cargo space, easily handling multiple pieces of luggage or other gear. A retractable cargo cover keeps valuables hidden, and you can fold the rear seats flat via levers in the cargo area for added convenience. The X5 also features a power lift gate, making loading cargo easier and providing a nice picnic seat. 2024 BMW X5 iDrive Infotainment System Review. The 2024 BMW X5M uses the latest iteration of BMW's iDrive, built on the company's 8th generation operating system. Much improved over the previous version, this latest iDrive features wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, configurable display, BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, Bluetooth streaming, navigation with augmented view. The infotainment section of the large, curved screen is a 14.9-inch widescreen, which provides enough real estate for easy viewing and navigation. The home screen uses live tiles that you can swipe left or right for quick access, and you can configure it to show a personalized selection of features in whatever order you desire. The driver can also choose to show all available features, displayed on a full page of icons. Shortcuts to audio, communication, navigation, and Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay, remain static on the left side of the screen for instant access to these oft-used features. Alternatively, you can interact with the system via the classic iDrive dial in the center console or by voice using BMW's Intelligent Personal Assistant. Climate functions integrate into the display, with the temperature settings always at the bottom of the screen for the driver and passenger. Unfortunately, you must access any other climate control from a sub-menu, although it was easy for me to access and less cumbersome than expected. I was able to connect my Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus via Bluetooth quickly. Within a few seconds, I had the option to launch Android Auto. Once loaded the first time, Android Auto appeared on the menu whenever the phone was within range. Android Auto displays on the whole screen with a static home button at the top left for easy access to the BMW native menu. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant uses natural language and worked well, understanding everything I asked. Activated by saying, "Hey, BMW," the system has become quite advanced with many new tasks that it can perform. I adjusted the temperature, set the navigation, called my wife, turned on the seat massagers, and changed the audio source all by simply asking. The system will even open individual windows or the sunroof via voice commands. What it's like to drive the 2024 BMW X5M. The most powerful model in the X5 lineup, the X5M Competition sports a turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine producing 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. BMW integrated an electric motor into the 8-speed automatic transmission, providing better acceleration from a stop and added efficiency when cruising. Power for the electric motor comes from the 48-volt battery in the engine compartment, which charges via regenerative braking. The motor also operates as a starter/generator for smooth automatic engine stop/start functionality. The performance-oriented, M-tuned AWD system properly manages all that power. BMW M cars are among the highest performance automobiles on the market, and just because the X5M is an SUV doesn't mean it's any less potent. With a quick shifting transmission, a powerful V8 engine, and the grip of AWD, the X5M Competition takes off like a shot from a standstill. A delightful roar of V8 exhaust emanates from the big quad exhaust pipes, adding to the overall experience. According to BMW, the X5M Competition will sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. While I had no method of measuring this, my experience leaves me in no doubt of this claim. One of my favorite aspects of the BMW X5M Competition is how it works so well as a comfortable, luxurious, and capable SUV while delivering performance on par with a sports car. More than just a quick sprinter, the X5 has excellent steering and fantastic grip, making it quite enjoyable when pushing it on winding roads around Monterey, California. With a tuned suspension and grippy Michelin Pilot Sport Force tires, the X5M delivers a confident, stable ride, further adding to the enjoyment. BMW allows the driver to customize the SUV's driving characteristics, setting the vehicle up for smooth cruising or carving up a twisty mountain road. The steering, suspension, engine response, transmission, brakes, chassis, exhaust sound, and AWD are adjustable for comfort or performance. The driver can set each attribute individually or store two preset configurations accessed via the M1 and M2 buttons on the steering wheel. While the X5M Competition is clearly at home on a twisty back road, this BMW SUV is just as competent cruising on the freeway. Spending several hours at highway speeds, the X5 was perfectly content to cruise at 70 miles per hour with a smooth and quiet ride. As a vehicle built for the German Autobahn, I suspect it would be just as stable at 120 miles per hour. No, I did not test this assumption. BMW Active Driving Assistant Review. How much cargo space does the 2024 BMW X5M have? With almost 34 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, the BMW X5M offers a good level of utility with room for multiple suitcases or other cargo. The rear seats fold flat in a 40/20/40 split for added versatility, and the seats fold from the rear via levers in the cargo space. With the rear seats folded, cargo space expands to 72.3 cubic feet. Does the 2024 BMW X5M get good gas mileage? It may have impressive performance, but the X5M's big V8 does not deliver very good fuel economy. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, rates the X5M at 15 mpg in combined city/highway driving, translating to a range of 328 miles. This figure aligns with my experience in the X5M, which showed 14 mpg on the trip computer during my time in the vehicle. Is the 2024 BMW X5M safe? The 2024 BMW X5M has many active and passive safety features. However, at the time of writing, neither the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, nor the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has released crash test results for the 2024 BMW X5. How much is the 2024 BMW X5? BMW offers the 2024 X5 in 4 trim levels. The X5's Drive 40i list price is $65,200. It is the only RWD variant, adding AWD raises the price to $67,500. The X5X Drive 50e plug-in hybrid costs $72,500, while the X5 M60i runs $89,300. The top-level X5M competition has a starting price of $122,300. Prices do not include the destination charge, which is $995. What are the 2024 BMW X5 competitors? In the J.D. Power 2023 Initial Quality Study, IQs, the Cadillac XT6 ranks highest in the upper midsize premium SUV segment. The BMW X6 and the BMW X5 are the next highest ranked models. In the 2023 Appeal Study, the BMW 9 ranks highest in the upper midsize premium SUV segment. The next highest ranked models are the BMW X6 and the Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Other competitors to the 2024 X5 include the Genesis GV80, Mercedes GLE, and Porsche Cayenne.